Hello everyone, in this particular lecture, we are going to learn that how to create a simple real-time character count that updates as you type, right? So let's jump in and see that how we can code it. So this is what you see is the HTML part. I've already done it for you. This is the heading, right? And here we are having a text area whose ID is message and placeholder is written, right? Now, here we are having a div whose class is counter and it is having a span which is having an ID of count. And here we have written the number as initial number as 0, right? And we have connected our JavaScript. Now, this is how it is looking. You can see, right? So what is going to happen here? Whenever I write something here, it will count the number of words or the characters and will show it here. As you can see, right? This is what we are going to do here, right? For this, we have first of all a little bit CSS also applied, right? Not very much, just because I'm going to show you how to make the functionality, not the beautiful UI, right? And let's do it. So first, we will call and get all the elements, that is const message equals to document dot get element by ID. We will select the element with the help of the IDs, and that particular ID is what? That particular ID is this message, right? Yeah. So let's write message here. So we have got our message, right? Now we are going to take the element as const, right? It's not const, sorry, count. Const is a fixed variable, right? Now document dot get element. Again, we are going to take the element with the help of ID, and you can see here this counter, right? This count. Oh no, sorry. We are going to have this count. So we will take that particular span, right? So yeah, we will write count here. So we have get two element, that is message and the count. Now the second task which we are going to do is to listen for the input event. So whenever the user writes something, what we our logic will do, it will listen and will make the calculation. Right. So it is very easy. We just need to apply our event listener to this message. So we will write message dot add event listener like this. After that, we will use the input, right? The event is what? Input. So whenever you input anything inside this particular message or the text area, right? In that particular case, what will happen? For that, let's create a arrow function like this. And inside this, we'll write count dot inner text equals to message dot value dot length right? Now, as you can see here, what is happening? This is doing what? That this particular count, that is what your span tag is, right? We are changing the inner text of it by what? By with the help of this message dot value, means whatever you have written inside this message, that is text area, and that length is what going to store inside your count. Count is what? Your span, right? This particular span whose initial value is 0, right? So this is how it's going to work. Let's see that how it is working. So this is our website, right? So let's start writing something and see that whether it is working or not. So let me write subscribe. You can see it's a 9-character letter, which you all should do, right? If you haven't yet. Now, this is how we can make the live character counter with the help of JavaScript. I hope you understood the concept very clearly. This is how we create it. A basic logic is required, right? Just this one line is making everything working. That is count.innerText equals to message.value.length. That's it. So this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in the next video very soon. Till then, goodbye.